This is the LARBANKE 8-drawer rolling tool chest. This was sent over to me from the brand for my evaluation, and thank you to them for partnering with me. And it's a total game changer for anyone who loves keeping their tools organized and accessible. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. You don't want to miss out. This chest is built like a tank with its sturdy construction and smooth rolling wheels that make it easy to move around your garage or your workshop. And you also have the option to use the stationary feet if you don't want to use the wheels. But again, those wheels have brakes on them, so either way you're good to go. The 8 spacious drawers give you plenty of room to store everything from wrenches to power tools, and the sliding drawer feature is super convenient for grabbing what you need quickly. One of the standout features is the stainless steel countertop, which doubles as a durable workbench. It's the perfect spot for working on projects without needing a separate work table. The chest also has a side door, adding even more storage for larger tools or equipment. And when you're done working, you can simply roll the tool chest out of the way. Talk about versatility. But if you're serious about keeping your workspace tidy and efficient, this tool chest is a must-have. Not only does it offer incredible storage, but it also transforms into a large, functional workbench that can handle any task you throw at it. Whether you're a do-it-yourself enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool chest is going to take your garage organization to the next level. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.